The representative of the IG, Commissioner of Police, FCT, Mr. Ajao Wale, the representative of the Police Service Commission, the National Chairman of the PCLC, members of the PCLC are present, distinguished invited ladies and gentlemen. I am Major General Remy Fadairo, the Deputy Director, the Deputy Chief of Civil Military Affairs at the Department of Civil Military Relations in the Army Headquarters here in Abuja. I'm here to represent the Chief of Army Staff, Lieutenant General Olufemi Oluyede, at this occasion. The act of policing is as old as the history of mankind, and the history of community policing predates the advent of even the Nigerian police force. This landmark event we're here today of security agencies and the civilian populace is a celebration of our efforts in community policing. It's a whole society approach, especially this era that we have, that the country is passing through a lot. There is one saying: you see something, say something, and do something. The do something part of it is left for the security agencies, for them to act responsibly, to be able to nip the problem at the bud. Information and intelligence gathering, public safety, neighborhood watch demands corresponding action from all of us. It's a whole society approach in solving the present contemporary challenges that we find ourselves as a nation. Permit me to reiterate the Nigerian Army commitments in fostering synergy with other security agencies in the country. At any time you will call on us, we'll always be there to support you. We are part of the whole society as a citizen of this great nation, and you can count on our support at every time. It's high time for all of us to take back this great nation from these criminal and unscrupulous elements. Nobody is going to do it for us apart from each and every one of us sitting down in this place. That era of leaving it for one security agency to do, be the police, the army, the civil defense, that era has passed. It's a whole society approach. And as such, we must all work together to put this country into the rightful place in which it belongs. I sincerely want to congratulate the PCLC on the marking of its 41st anniversary. And I hope by the time you reach 42nd, that's next year, yes, sir, we have more things to celebrate. And immediately I entered, I saw your members in Nigeria, and I was wondering where is our own. So by next year, I will not attend this in uniform. The same thing with the city. We equally want to dress in the Nigeria with you. So it's only when we are making speech that you know that this one is an army officer and this one is a police officer. Another question I asked myself when I was coming in is that this kind of occasion should other security agencies also should have been in attendance also. So apart from sending invitation out, I think there's a need for the ESCO of the PCRC to go around personally and liaise with other security agencies, because this is one of the forums that we can all meet together. Apart from us celebrating with you, there is also need for us to network and to know each other better. So, on this note, I thank you all for inviting the Chief of Army Staff to this occasion, and we wish you well, and looking forward for a more robust relationship between the PCRC, the police, and other security agencies. Thank you very much, and God bless.